Hello guys, CTechSP here, so we are back. Today we have a new unboxing from a package from Gearbest. So let's open it. We have two products here. We will do separate unboxing videos for each one. And we will make a review later on the future. It's a little big, the package today. So after I have opened the package, we'll see, we have here the delivery list, so we'll put on the side. We have a gaming mouse. Which is awesome, with RGB lights here that change colors, 7 different colors that say the package. We have 3000 frame rate. We have some features here. So we have some details, information about this mouse. I will unbox it and review on another video, so we'll put on the side to see the other products. Here we have the Gamesir G3W. It's a gamepad for PS3, Android and Windows. We have here the gamepad, some features and some details for the package and gamepad. I will unbox and review on another video also. So thank you guys for seeing me. See ya in the next video.